Guys, today I'll be showing you how to use Spoiler on Discord mobile. Let's get started. So let's first open our Discord app right here, and what you want to do is go into your Discord server or the person that you want to send a spoiler to, just like this one right here. As you can see, this has a spoiler right here, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first, let's go into the conversation that you want to send your spoiler into, and you want to tap on the plus icon on the bottom left of your screen, and you want to tap on that right there, and you can see all the videos and photos that you have right here that you can send. So for me, I'd like to send this one, the picture of my keyboard, and from here what you want to do is just simply long press on that one right here, long press. And as you can see, when you long press that photo, then you will have this right here. You will have this option right here, mark as spoiler. You have this option now. All you have to do is just tap on it so that it will be checked, and from there you can now go back right there. And as you can see, it has been like this now. Once you send it, it will be sent as a spoiler. Let's just wait for it to fully send. As you can see, we have now sent a spoiler, and that is how you use a spoiler on Discord mobile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.